Boeing is progressing with the continued development of a new unmanned aircraft program in preparation for the first flight of the Royal Australian Air Force's RAF Loyal Wingman prototype in 2020. U.S. aerospace giant reported that Boeing's Australia division, based in Brisbane, recently achieved 2 more milestones on the Royal Australian Air Force's Loyal Wingman Advanced Development Program. Weight on wheels and aircraft power on.
Well, that way.
The development milestones for the unmanned aircraft come just weeks after completion of the first fuselage, allowing for rapid progress on systems installation and functional and integration testing from the aircraft's own landing gear. We're continuing at pace toward our goal of flying later this year so that we can show our customer and the world what unmanned capability like this can do, said Dr. Shane Arnott, program director of the Boeing Air Power Teaming System. The strong contributions from our industry team are powering our progress. The new aircraft that developing under the Loyal Wingman program will complement and extend airborne missions through smart teaming with existing military aircraft. Digital engineering has enabled Boeing to develop, simulate and test mission system behaviors that ultimately will increase customer capabilities such as situational awareness and ISR. The team is working closely with the RAF to refine the manned-unmanned teaming solution to address specific operational needs and ensure manned pilots can trust and easily understand the unmanned systems flying with them. Boeing hopes to sell the multi-role unmanned aircraft, which is 38 feet long, 11.6 meters, and has a 2,000 nautical mile, 3,704 kilometer range, to customers around the world, modifying it as requested, according to CNBC.com. Its first flight is expected in 2020, with Boeing and the Australian government producing a concept demonstrator to pave the way for full production.
You can, why did you keep your field of view?
And stills right now.
Vegas roll now.
It was within limits, 20027, and that was at time 55, so it's staying pretty strong. It may go over again.